Welcome to Ocean Breeze, a newer community of 47 homes located on beautiful landscaping tucked in between the ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. 1,050 square feet, split floor plans with 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Enjoy your wet bar, wine fridge, private deck, community pool, and dock and marina right on the premises. There's a pavilion with seating, lounging, dining, and grill area, and a community fish cleaning station with ice maker, hammock park, and quiet garden. All appliances and furniture stay, including the washer and dryer. All this can be yours for only $464,900. Enjoy dining and shopping by bike, golf cart, or by a nice leisurely walk. See you soon.